Good morning, everyone. This is Info Mud, and today I'm gonna show you from beginning and as much as I can from this cook. This morning I will be cooking pork ribs. So let me show you what's in here real quick. That smoke board, serious. My ribs right here. Here's the wood. I'm using hickory. These are pork ribs. Pork ribs. That's what I'm using today. And I changed my setup. My setup is now this bowl right here. It's my, I don't know. What do you call these? These are coal movers, I guess. That's what I use them for. I use these to move the hot charcoals in this new Sam's Club bag that I now put everything in. It's easier to find stuff. Same trash bag, because you know we clean. We keep it clean. And my chair. I'm thinking this is going to take, it says 7:44. So I'm thinking about maybe, probably by 11, I should be done. So by 11, I should be done. That's from the wood is just catching. I know it is, because that's the white smoke right there. So there are my ribs that I'm cooking today. It's about 14 of them though, actually. It's about 14 of them. You can see the temperature is right now. See, it's rising. The temperature is rising. It usually be around 300. I open the lid to let y'all see. So now here's the temperature inside the grill has to rise. Inside the kettle has to rise. So that's what it is today. Ribs, pork ribs. I think they call it country style ribs. So I'm not going to show you too much more because that's about it. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And please remember to always treat each other with respect and kindness, because you will want someone to treat you with respect and kindness. Thank you again.